Today, we're going to talk about reverse engineering, the perfect business model, or let's say business that happens to sell legal services for growth. I'm excited to work with you, a law firm owner. My name is Richard James, and I've been working with folks like you for over 10 years, and over 960 of you have started to take step-by-step challenges to start to improve your firm. Today, I'm going to give you one single tip as to what you should do first to start to reverse engineer your success. Before I do that, I want to lay the groundwork. So there are four important pipelines you need to understand. The first is that you have to have a client attraction pipeline. The second is that you need to have a profit pipeline. The third is that you need a workflow pipeline. And the fourth is that you need to have a talent pipeline. Inside those pipelines, we have knobs that you have to turn on and off. And so you have to understand whether to open them or close them. One of the sub-pipelines in the new client attraction pipeline is called the unconverted lead pipe. When I first started working with lawyers, I built that firm from $0 in sales to $3.5 million in sales. And the number one way that I was able to do that was converting unconverted leads. Now, 60% of the gross sales of that firm came from people who originally said no. No, I don't want to set an appointment with you today. No, I don't want to show to my appointment. Or no, I don't want to hire the firm today. And that's normal. That wasn't just unique to us. That's common for you as well. I want to give you one single tip today. I want you to go back 6 months, even 2 years, depending on your practice area and how likely it is that your potential client would still need your services. Have somebody in your firm pull up all of those records, pick up the phone numbers, and start calling and or texting those unconverted leads from people who originally said no. You met with them during the initial consultation and they didn't say yes to hire you, and you never heard from them again. Let's start calling them. Two things are going to happen. The first one's going to sadden you because you're going to find out they did need help and they ended up hiring another firm. It wasn't that they felt you did anything wrong. The second thing that's going to happen is you're actually going to get some new clients out of it because you think they said no forever, and no really means just not right now. And if you follow up with those unconverted leads, what's going to happen is some of them are going to say, I just wasn't ready then. So let's go ahead and take that next step now. My challenge to you, start calling all of your old unconverted leads. You'll start seeing immediate results, and you're going to start seeing some cash pour in that you can begin to reinvest into your firm to grow the systems that are going to run your law firm and the people that are going to run your system. I'd love to have a deeper conversation with you about all the things you need to do to move from one level to the next of ownership and to figure out which pipeline is actually working. I tell you what, I'll put a link to some assessments below, and you can go ahead and take those on your own and figure out which ones work for you. And if you want to find out more about how these things work, I promise you I'll break them down in future videos. Just go ahead and follow us on whatever channel you're listening to right now. Whatever it takes, I'm looking forward to helping you build your law firm better, one system at a time.